How to change phone number on Amazon order already placed. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can change our phone number on an Amazon order that's already placed, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So in order to change your phone number on the Amazon order that's already placed, you can open up Amazon. Then just come to your profile like icon from here. Then from here you can simply go to the Your Orders tab. Then you'll be able to see a list of all the orders there. Once you find those orders, you can select the order for which you would like to change the details. Just select the change or edit option there, and then you'll find the option to also edit out your phone number. Even that, if the order is already placed, you can change the order details. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.